Welcome back to another video. My name is Susana, and today I'm going to show you how to create your free Canva account. So let's begin. Go to canva.com and it's going to take you to this landing page. You have three ways of signing up. In this case, three buttons. You can click on sign in, start designing for free, and on the little lines on the top left, click sign up. You can see it's the same window. So for now, we are going to click on start designing for free. When you get this window, you can select whichever option you would like to sign up. I'm going to select continue with email. You want to enter an email address here. Once you enter your email address, you want to click continue. You can leave the name the way it is or change it. You want to click continue. Canva is going to send you a code. So you want to go to your email address, grab that code and enter it here. This is the code I received. So I'm going to enter it in the text box. When you get to this window, go ahead and select the option that's best for you. The one that I'm going to select is personal project. So you'll get to this window. I turn this off. So you can go ahead and read this and either leave it on or off. Once you do that, you want to click on Got It, Next. And that is it. Your free Canva account has been created. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I will see you on the next one.